Hello. Today we're going to take a look at multiplying polynomials, and we're going to take a look at the acronym FOIL, which gets brought up in a lot of classes, and a lot of students actually don't understand what it means. So let's take a look at what it means and how to use it. Okay, so you use the acronym FOIL to multiply two polynomials together. And here's what each of these letters stands for. The F in FOIL stands for first, and that refers to the first term in each parentheses. So in this case, first would be the 2x and the 6x. And so that's what you would multiply first, leaving us with 12x squared. 2 times 6 is 12. X times x is x squared. The O stands for outside. And what that means are the two terms that are the most outside in this whole multiplication set. So that would be the 2x times the -3. They are on the most outside of the parentheses. So that gives us -6x. That negative is attached to that 3. So 2x times -3 gives us -6x. The I stands for inside. And so again, in our continuum of 4 terms here, these are the 2 terms that are on the inside of this system. So that's the 5 times the 6x, which is plus 30x. And finally, the L stands for last, and that means the 2 last terms in each of our parentheses. So that would be the +5 and the -3. So +5 times -3 is. And finally, our 2 middle terms there, the outside and the inside, -6x and +30x, those are like terms. They are both x terms, as opposed to our term with no x or our term with an x squared. And like terms can be combined. -6x plus 30x, well, we can apply the famous cow math. -6 cows plus 30 cows leaves you with how many cows? That's right, 24 cows, or 24x. Okay, let's apply it again. All right, firsts, right, the first in each parentheses. 2x times 3x gets us 6x squared. Excellent. Outsides, the outermost in the whole system. 2x times +7 gets us insides, the insides in the whole system. -3 times 3x gets us -9x. And finally, lasts, the last in each parentheses set, -3 times +7 gets us, excellent, combine like terms, +14x minus 9x leaves us with 6x squared plus 5x minus 21, and you are now an expert at foiling. All right, take a look at the opposite of foiling, factoring. Take a look at my videos on using the X method to factor quadratics or the box method to factor quadratics. Take a look at how to complete the square, and take a look at my trick video, the problem that teachers love to put on tests and students always fall for. So click on that and keep on mathing.